praise and chant. We are children of His Majesty. Over hills and valleys we are chant. In the midst of the struggle we not faint. Them try to hold we down, but we rise up strong. In the heart of the battle, we singing our song. Whoa, unto them who this judge away. Them can't hide from the truth, it shines like day. Them all a say God's image is white, but that not right. We seek the true light, Christ will come. Oh yes, He will set us free. Down in the ghetto, we holding on to Him. Them wicked man, I fear retreat. When we stand up tall, we not accept defeat. Christ will come, oh yes, He will set us free. In all the darkness, He's the light for we. See them wicked scheming, plotting against the me. But Jaja give we strength, we ready to speak. Through the fire and the rain, we stand firm and true. With the faith in our hearts, we push on through. Them a fight we with words, but we won't go down. In the name of the King, we wear the crown. Over hills and valleys, unity we chant. Rise up together, this a real job plant. Christ will come, oh yes, He will set us free. Down in the ghetto, we holding on to Him. Them wicked man, I fear retreat. When we stand up tall, we not accept defeat. Christ will come, oh yes, He will set us free. In all the darkness, He's the light for we. In the midnight hour, we cry out clear. With the hope in our hearts, we make Jah near. Them try them best to keep we down low, but we rise above like the seeds we sow. With every trial we grow stronger still. For in the name of Christ we are fulfilled. So let them come, we ready to face. With the love of the Father we embrace. No more burden, no more pain. In Jah we find joy, we break the chain. Wicked man a scatter, them can't comprehend. Our people united, we take a stand. Through the valleys of shadow, we walk with pride. With Christ by our side, we will never hide. Over hills and valleys, we chant the truth. Now the presence of Jah, we find the proof. Christ will come, oh yes, He will set us free. Down in the ghetto, we holding on to Him. Them wicked man, I fear retreat. When we stand up tall, we not accept defeat. Christ will come, oh yes, He will set us free. In all the darkness, He's the light for we. So keep the faith, keep the hope alive. With Jah on our side, we will surely thrive. Over hills and valleys, let the message flow. Christ will come, and we are ready to go. Yes, Christ will come, and